In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Outlook notifications. Whether you're waiting for that important email or just want to stay on top of your inbox, setting up notifications in Outlook can keep you informed and productive throughout the day. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, start by opening your Outlook application on your computer or device. Once your Outlook email dashboard is in front of you, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon there. This is your settings menu, and this is where the magic begins. Now, with the gear icon located, go ahead and click on it. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings related to your Outlook account. It's a handy spot to tweak different aspects to suit your preferences. Take a moment to look around if you're curious about other features, but for now, let's stay focused on enabling notifications. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll notice several options. What you need to do next is click on the General category. This will guide you to another screen with various general settings options. It's the place where you can make adjustments to how Outlook functions and appears for you. Next up in these settings, locate notifications. Clicking on notifications will open another set of options. This is where you can customize how you receive alerts from Outlook. Turning notifications on will ensure you're informed anytime an email lands in your inbox or changes are made to your calendar, depending on how you configure things. It's advisable to take a moment here to consider what kinds of notifications you find most useful. Perhaps you'll want to receive notifications for all emails, or maybe just those from specific senders or with particular subjects. Feel free to explore the options available to tailor this experience just for you. And there you have it. By enabling notifications, you'll have everything set up to stay informed when messages arrive. These customized notifications can help you maintain productivity, ensuring that you don't miss any critical updates or messages. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that notification settings can often differ slightly based on the version of Outlook you're using or your specific device. If you encounter any variations, don't worry. Most of the steps should remain similar, pivoting around the gear icon and general settings. Thanks for tuning in today. Now that you've successfully enabled Outlook notifications, keeping track of emails and updates should be a breeze. Stay efficient and happy emailing.